In this video, you will learn the 3M standard operating procedure for Gelcoat finishing. Begin the process by pressure washing the boat. Pour 1 ounce of the new 3M Perfected Boat Wash per gallon of water into a bucket. Thoroughly wash the boat, removing all surface contaminants before proceeding to the next step. Be sure to mask surfaces that will not get sanded or buffed. Sand the oxidized gel coat with a dual-action sander using a 3M 800 grit abrasive disc to remove the oxidation. Further refine residual 800 grit sand scratches using a dual-action sander with a 3M 1500 grit abrasive disc attached to a soft interface pad. Remember to clean up all sanding dust and residue prior to continuing on to the compounding step. Attach the 3M Perfected Quick Connect adapter onto the buffer. Attach a 3M Perfected Wool Compounding Pad or a 3M Perfected Low Linting 100% Wool Compounding Pad to the Quick Connect adapter on the buffer. Now apply the new 3M Perfected Gelcoat Heavy Cutting Compound. Running the buffer between 1200 and 2000 maximum RPM, buff the entire area. Make sure to keep a thin film of compound present to effectively remove sand scratches. 3M Perfected Gelcoat Heavy Cutting Compound might be more wet than other rubbing compounds you have previously used, so start by using slightly less compound until you become more familiar with how the product performs. Visually check the area to make sure that all of the sand scratches and oxidation have been removed. Remember to spur or clean your buff pad often to prevent loading. After you finish buffing the gel coat, wipe the surface with a 3M Perfected detailing cloth to remove any remaining residue. 3M Perfected Gel Coat Heavy Cutting Compound leaves behind a great finish on most surfaces. However, if any residual swirls remain, which may occur on dark-colored surfaces, use 3M Finesse It 2 glaze to further refine the surface. Remove the compounding pad from the Quick Connect adapter and replace it with the 3M Perfected Wool Polishing Pad. Polish the entire area with a buffer set between 1200 and 2000 maximum RPM. Before you proceed to the next step, remove any residue with a detailing cloth. Apply the new 3M Perfected Boat Wax to a 3M Perfected Dual Action Glazing Pad on a dual action sander. Apply the product to the entire surface of the boat to protect the finish and minimize oxidation from reappearing. Don't allow 3M Perfected Boat Wax to dry on the surface. Wipe the wax off of the surface 10 to 20 seconds after applying the wax using a detailing cloth. Now you are ready to create a beautiful finish on your boat using the 3M standard operating procedure for Gelcoat finishing.